Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Toyota Key Fob. So the first thing you want to do is locate on your key the slot where you'll be inserting your flathead into. Once you locate the slot, just proceed to insert your flathead and gently begin to twist in order to pry open the key. Just make sure that the buttons on your key are facing down to avoid having them fall off, because there's nothing holding your buttons in place when you pry the key open. Once the key is open, you can now proceed to take out the internal part of the key fob control that is housing the battery inside. Now you can see on the exterior of this key fob component where it shows you what type of battery this uses. In this case, it's a CR 2016 3-volt battery. So now we just confirm that we have the correct battery, and once we do that, we can now proceed to pry open this component as well. We follow the same process, take the flathead and locate the slot on this component and insert the flathead and proceed to twist to pry it open. Once you open the component, you will be able to see the battery. Make sure to pay attention how the battery is inserted in order to make sure you put the new battery in correctly. Remove the old battery and insert the new battery. Once you've inserted the new battery, you can proceed to carefully put everything back together. Gently close up the component housing the battery and proceed to put it back into the key fob. From there, you just make sure it's inserted correctly into the key fob, and then you can just proceed to close it up. And now you're ready to use your key once again. This key here is from a 2014 Toyota Rav4, but it is very similar to other Toyota model key fobs. The only tools you'll need is a flathead screwdriver to pry open your key, and aside from that, you only need your new battery. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have yourself a great day.